What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I will test and review the AirFly Pro wireless Bluetooth adapter. Eliminate cords and wired headphones. Well, this video just got expensive. And connect wirelessly to any device that has a headphone port. Send audio to it or get audio from it. This is an Amazon bestseller with over 1,000 sales each month, and I've had it for about 5 months and it's been great, so let's check it out. Opening it up, we have the main event, the Bluetooth adapter, a charging cable, a nice little carrying bag with a ton of instructions in it, a quick start guide to get you going, and some lame QR code to sign up for emails. There's a nice little cover for the business end, which plugs into standard 3.5mm headphone ports to use it, a power button, hold it for 5 seconds to turn it on, and 5 seconds to turn it off. A reset button to clear the devices it's been paired with, a toggle switch to select if it'll be used as a receiver or a transmitter, and a USB-C charging port. It takes 2 hours to charge and has over 25 hours of battery life. Let's start with using it as a receiver. So I'm in the garage and I have an oil change to do and some other stuff going on. And this is my stereo. It's like 20 years old and there's no built-in Bluetooth. But it sure would be nice to listen to some music from my phone, because car maintenance without music is boring. So let's bust out the AirFly Pro, remove the cap and plug it into the auxiliary input. Hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn it on. And for the first use, go into Bluetooth settings and connect it to AirFly Pro. But after this, it'll always auto-connect. And that's it. It's that easy. Now I'm streaming music from my phone to my stereo through Bluetooth. And vehicle maintenance is fun, not boring. Now, let's use it as a transmitter. I have this exercise bike with an HD screen, but it only has accommodations for wired headphones, and I don't like it. I don't want to use headphones with a cord. Time for the AirFly. Plug it into the headphone output port and turn it on. And bam! Now I'm listening to my Bluetooth headphones. And you can connect 2 pairs of headphones at the same time, so a friend can also listen too. To pair headphones for the first use, first turn on the AirFly Pro. The light will begin flashing. Then put the wireless headphones in pairing mode. For iPod Pros, open the case and hold down the button on the back until the light on the front starts blinking white, and it's in pairing mode. Sit back and wait for them to connect. This only has to be done once. It'll remember your headphones and automatically connect for future uses, and the light will turn solid white when pairing is complete. But you can hold this reset button for 4 seconds to clear everything it's paired with and start fresh. So I've had this for 5 months, and it's a slick little device that comes in handy. Those were a couple demonstration examples, but there are lots of uses for it. In-flight movies is a good one because they just have the headphone jack. And you definitely don't want to get stuck with the cheap freebies, but use it anywhere that has a headphones input or output jack. And that wraps this up. As always, I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.